Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open and format a disk or pendrive. First, connect your storage device, whether it's a pendrive or an external disk, to your computer using a USB port. Once connected, open your File Explorer or Finder to locate the newly attached drive. It's important to ensure your computer recognizes the device before moving on to the next steps. Now, let's access the necessary tools. If you are using Windows, simply type Disk Management into the search bar and open the utility. For those on a Mac, navigate to your Applications folder, then Utilities, and launch Disk Utility. Both of these powerful tools provide the interface needed to manage and prepare your storage devices for formatting. Next, we'll format the drive. In your chosen utility, carefully identify and select your pendrive or external disk from the list of available devices. Then, you will need to select a file system. Common options include FAT32, exFAT, or NTFS, each with different compatibilities. You can choose a quick format for speed or a full format for a more complete data wipe. Finally, after the formatting process is complete, take a moment to verify that your drive now appears with its new file system and the correct storage capacity. Before disconnecting, always remember to safely eject the drive from your computer to prevent any potential data corruption. Your pendrive or external disk is now freshly formatted and ready for you to store new files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.